Now family, our pressure cooker has been there for about 20 minutes. We turned off the flame and we ease it to the side. So we're just gonna lift now. Get right in camera, girl. And this is what your goated looks like. Look at the amount of liquid. If you were supposed to use the regular cooking method, you'll be there cooking forever. It's a bit chewy. Okay, y'all? So what we want to do at this point, we want to take out, right in camera, girl, we want to take out some of these like bones, because we got the meat off them. So we want to get out like most of these bones before we start put what we have to put in. Okay? Well, maybe not a lot we have, because most of them have meat on them, and like those, but most of them are there and they have meat on them. Now you want to test. You're gonna have bones and stuff in there. You want to test for the doneness, and you're gonna test on a piece of the tripe, this part of the tripe. Right? It's hot. Don't do like me, please. Don't do what Debbie down here do. You know, she's used to all of this burning. The tripe is always a little bit chewy, but you don't want to get it too soft. Now, this is the outer part of the goated. So this is like a piece of the, get right in. This is like a piece of the skin. See there, the outer skin of it. Because you know the tripe is always more chewy. So we're going to test for a piece of this. It has a little bone. And it's good. Now let me tell you, it tastes so nice, family, with just the ginger and the garlic that we pressured it with. Now, hot water as usual, as always. You're going to pour in your water now. You pour this water anywhere, because you're going to soup up this thing now. You're going to get some soup going on now. Okay, y'all? Okay. Now, we're going to notch up, flame back on. We're going to proceed to make a stew. Okay, y'all? 1.5 pounds of goated. Remember, right here we have a little chocho, a little carrot. No more than this. You're not going to want to full up this thing with a lot of this thing. And maybe this even look a bit too much. You don't want to full up this thing. You want to get yourself a little more water, because you're going to start souping it. Okay, y'all? Okay. So, you're going to look at it now. Yes. Okay. Now we have right over here a green banana. But we are supposed to have, you wash your banana properly and you're going to slice it thin. We're supposed to have the thinner bananas with the skin more greener, but I did not get it, so I'm just using this one. I'm going to put some, just one. Slice it thin, you're going to put it in there. This is how we do it. The banana should be thinner and the skin should be greener. So it will be the younger one. The banana shouldn't be as, you know. Yeah, but nevertheless, we're using it. Right over here, we have some okras. So we're going to proceed to cut off the top of our okra. You're going to wash them. Yes, run them under your water. And you're going to wash them. Okay, y'all? And then you're going to, right here, you're going to nip off the top. Right here, you cut your okra right here and there. Right here. I hope you're all in. Okay? And you put as much of this that you want, or that you have in this thing here. This okra here, you put as much of it that you have in there, because this is the strength with the goated thing going on. So we're going to slice them, not too thin, because we don't want them come out all that. This one seems a bit, because we're not going to use it, seems a bit elderly. So as soon as your knife start going through it, you know it's good. That one was a bit on the elderly side. In Jamaica we say it was old. Okay, so look at what we have so far. Give them a shot, camera girl. Yeah, we're putting in as much of this okra thing what you find, not the old ones, the younger ones. Okay, y'all. Now we're gonna give our hands a rinse. We have right here, right over here, we have some scallion. Okay, y'all. This is what we have, and this is how. Get right in, camera girl. This is how you proceed to wash your scallion. Look at me, all. We're doing goated soup, but at the same time, I'm getting you all in on a little of these kitchen tips. Okay? Okay, y'all. Now that we have washed it, we're gonna try. And you know my thing as usual. Whatever we find, this is what we're beating with. Smash it out. We're putting in everything right here and now. And you're gonna give it a stir. This here is not a soup to fill your stomach. It is an appetizer, and this appetizer is to wet your palate to enjoy a decent meal of Jamaican curry goat. That's what it is meant for. We have here a peg of garlic. Remember, we pressured it, we cooked it with smashed garlic. So we're putting in one large grated peg of garlic. How we want to get this thing right where we have it. Right here we have probably about, yes, this of pimento seeds. We're gonna get it in. Right over here we've got some rosemary, and I'm opting to use rosemary instead of green thyme. We want this nice flavor. You know, rosemary gives a nice flavor, so we're gonna put in a piece here of rosemary. Now right over here, camera girl, yes, we have our scotch bonnet, and we're gonna put in our scotch bonnet, but we're gonna do that last. Right here I have a pack of, it says ram goat soup manish water. I told you that the ram goat soup was the manish water. I didn't even know this was on it. Right? It says it is for sale only in Jamaica and the Caribbean. So if you want to get some of this, I'm going to try this probably. I think it's the first I'm going to try. We're going to use it instead of our regular Maggi noodle. So we're going to try it and see what it gives. And if you want to try this, you might, when you come to Jamaica, you might want to stock up on some of it, or ask somebody to get you some when you're coming, because it says it's only in the Caribbean and in Jamaica. So we're gonna pour this thing out inside here. Now this goated soup is not a soup we're supposed to have in any pumpkin and food and dumpling. What I put in there was like the cubes, the vegetable was a small Irish potato, a medium-sized carrot, and half of a medium-sized chocha. And when the soup is finished, this is the primary color that the soup is supposed to have, the goated soup or your manish water. That is why what comes out of the package is brown. Your soup is supposed to have this primary color. You're not supposed to have a pumpkin-looking red flavor. So we have put in all of that, and it smells so good. What we're going to do at this point, we're going to taste for salt perfection. Yeah? And we're going to put in just a little bits of salt more. Yes? Okay. Now, last but not least, we're going to put in our scotch bonnet. Yes, we're going to pour in a little more water. And we are going to leave this on medium heat constantly for another 25 minutes, stirring occasionally to bring it together. When we return, you will see the consistency, you will see the texture, you will see what everything looks like, and we're gonna serve up for you all in that segment, and we are gonna taste, and I'm gonna show you all how we drink goated soup at Jamaica. Okay, y'all?